When you sign up for lawoffice.ai, you are asked what type of law you practice. Our advanced AI created everything you need to get started right away. Along with your practice, another general practice was also set up with a sample case to help you see how everything works. Let's start by reviewing the sample case, and then we will come back to this advanced case search page. The Cases button shows a count of how many open cases you have. Click on this button. Here is our list of cases. Each row shows the case file number along with the matter and case status. Click on this case so we can see the case details. Starting with the case panel header, we have the back button. You can use this to navigate back to the list of cases. Then we have the avatar of the account this case is assigned to. Every case should be assigned to someone. Then we have the case file number and phase of the case. To the right, we have the status of the case, and lastly, we have a timer, so you can easily keep track of how much time you have spent on the case. Each case has its own case toolbar. We will go through each of these in a moment. First, let's scroll down the page to see how our case is displayed. The details of the case contain all relevant information that is available. This is considered the case view mode. Clicking the Edit Case button changes the case to edit mode. This will show us all available fields we can fill in for the case. As a side note, any admin can customize this case and add or remove any number of fields, so you can customize the case details to precisely fit your needs. This would be done under the Case Templates section of the admin. Under the case details, we can see any other accounts that are watching this case. If a case isn't assigned to you, then watching a case is an easy way to add this to your watch list. Then we have the Case Notes section. The notes are a vital way to keep track of the case progress and enter any communications. To enter a note, just type into the note field and click the Save Note button. If you are the author of the note, then you can edit or pin the note at any time. Pinning the note will keep it at the top of the list so you can keep the most important information up top. When creating a note, you can also add a mention. Mentions are a way to let other accounts know about the note you just created. Once saved, the mentioned account will receive an email with the contents of the note and a link directly to the case. This makes communication between accounts much easier. Lastly, going back to the main cases page, you'll see a New Case button on the top right of the page. Click this button. To create a new case, you have to select what type of case you want to create along with the client the case is for. If this is for a new client, then click the plus button to add them. We will go further into contacts later, but for now remember that a client is a contact that is billable. When you're done selecting the client, then click the Create Case button. While there is much to learn about case management, this is the first part of a 5-part case management series.